Get ready to dive into the vibrant world of Royalton CHIC Punta Cana, where luxury meets excitement in the heart of the Dominican Republic. This adults-only, all-inclusive resort is the perfect blend of high-end indulgence and lively entertainment, reminiscent of the glitz and glamour you'd find in Vegas or South Beach. So, buckle up as we take you on a virtual tour of this Caribbean gem that's sure to make your vacation dreams come true. Let's start with the accommodations that'll be your home away from home during your stay. Royalton CHIC Punta Cana boasts 320 stylish rooms and suites that are designed to impress even the most discerning travelers. Picture yourself waking up to breathtaking views of the Caribbean Sea or the tranquil Nacupt Lagoon from your private balcony. These elegantly styled rooms are a perfect blend of comfort and modern luxury. While you don't have specific room categories to share, you can expect each space to be a haven of relaxation with air conditioning to keep you cool in the tropical heat, flat-screen TVs for your entertainment needs, and well-stocked minibars for those moments when you need a quick refreshment. The modern design and exceptional amenities in each room ensure that your stay is nothing short of spectacular. And let's not forget the allure of waking up to the sound of gentle waves or the sight of a stunning sunset over the lagoon. It's the kind of view that makes you want to pinch yourself to make sure you're not dreaming. Now, let's talk about something that's close to every traveler's heart: food and drinks. Royalton CHIC Punta Cana doesn't disappoint when it comes to satisfying your culinary cravings. With 7 restaurants at your disposal, you'll be embarking on a gastronomic journey that'll tantalize your taste buds. While we don't have specific names or cuisines to share, you can bet your bottom dollar that these eateries offer a diverse range of flavors to suit every palate. From gourmet contemporary cuisine that'll make you feel like a food critic to comfort foods that remind you of home, there's something for everyone. And let's not forget about the drinks. With 8 bars scattered throughout the resort, you'll never be far from your next refreshing cocktail or ice-cold beer. Whether you're in the mood for a sophisticated martini by the rooftop pool or a fruity tropical concoction on the beach, the skilled bartenders have got you covered. And here's a little insider tip: keep an eye out for the themed nights and special events. These culinary extravaganzas often feature local delicacies and international specialties that'll take your dining experience to a whole new level. When it comes to beating the heat and soaking up the sun, Royalton CHIC Punta Cana has you covered. Quite literally, if you choose one of their shaded loungers. The resort boasts 4 swimming pools, each offering a unique experience. But let's talk about the crown jewel, the rooftop pool. This elevated oasis provides 360-degree views that'll make your Instagram followers green with envy. Imagine sipping on a cocktail while overlooking the vast expanse of the Caribbean Sea. It's the stuff vacation dreams are made of. But if you're in the mood for something a little more lively, head to the high-energy foam pool party area. It's like spring break, but classier. Think bubbles, beats, and beautiful people having the time of their lives. And let's not forget about the beach. Uvero Alto Beach is renowned for its pristine white sand and turquoise waters. It's the perfect spot for a romantic stroll, a refreshing swim, or simply lounging with a good book. For the more adventurous types, non-motorized water sports are available. So whether you want to try your hand at paddleboarding or kayaking, the crystal clear waters are your playground. Now, let's dive into the activities that'll keep you entertained throughout your stay. Royalton CHIC Punta Cana is all about creating memorable experiences for its guests. While we don't have a detailed list of specific activities, you can expect a mix of relaxation and excitement. The resort offers daily activities that cater to various interests. Whether you're into fitness classes that'll help you work off those delicious meals, or you prefer more laid-back pursuits like cooking demonstrations or mixology classes, there's something to keep everyone engaged. And when the sun goes down, the entertainment kicks up a notch. Nightly shows bring a touch of Vegas to the Caribbean, with performances that range from live music to acrobatic displays. But the real showstoppers are the themed pool parties. Picture yourself dancing under the stars, surrounded by fellow vacationers, all moving to the rhythm of the latest hits spun by talented DJs. It's the kind of night you'll be talking about long after your tan has faded. For those seeking ultimate relaxation and rejuvenation, the Royal Spa is your go-to destination. While we don't have a comprehensive list of treatments, you can expect a range of services designed to pamper you from head to toe. Imagine indulging in a massage that uses local ingredients to soothe your sun-kissed skin, or a facial that leaves you glowing brighter than the Caribbean sun. The spa likely features relaxation areas where you can unwind before or after your treatment, perhaps with a cup of herbal tea or a refreshing fruit-infused water. And while we don't have specific details about facilities like saunas or steam rooms, it's safe to say that the Royal Spa is equipped to provide a full wellness experience. Whether you're looking to de-stress, detoxify, or simply treat yourself, the skilled therapists are there to ensure you leave feeling refreshed and revitalized. One of the great things about Royalton CHIC Punta Cana is its location near some of Punta Cana's hottest attractions. While we don't have a detailed list of nearby sites, you can bet that adventure is never far away. The Dominican Republic is known for its stunning natural beauty, so you might find yourself exploring lush tropical forests, visiting hidden waterfalls, or taking a boat trip to spot dolphins in their natural habitat. For those interested in local culture, there are likely opportunities to visit nearby towns and markets, where you can immerse yourself in the vibrant Dominican way of life. And let's not forget about the golf enthusiasts. Punta Cana is home to some world-class golf courses that offer challenging play with breathtaking views. The resort's concierge can probably help arrange excursions and provide recommendations, ensuring you make the most of your time in this Caribbean paradise. Now let's talk about what really sets Royalton CHIC Punta Cana apart from other resorts in the area. This adults-only haven is designed for those who want to combine luxury with a vibrant social atmosphere. It's the perfect spot for friends getaways, bachelor or bachelorette parties, or couples looking to reignite that spark in their relationship. The blend of high-end amenities with a party-like atmosphere creates a unique vibe that's hard to find elsewhere. Where else can you go from lounging in a posh suite to dancing at a foam party in a matter of minutes? The resort's commitment to creating a lively yet luxurious environment is evident in every aspect of its design and offerings. From the stylish decor that screams Instagram-worthy to the carefully curated entertainment schedule, everything is designed to ensure you have an unforgettable stay. While Royalton CHIC Punta Cana might not be the place for a quiet, secluded getaway, it excels at providing a dynamic, fun-filled vacation experience. The staff's attention to detail and commitment to guest satisfaction is often praised, with many visitors noting the friendly and attentive service they received throughout their stay. The all-inclusive nature of the resort means you can truly relax and enjoy your time without constantly reaching for your wallet. And let's not forget about the adults-only policy. It ensures a more mature, relaxed atmosphere where you can fully unwind without worrying about noisy pool splashes or early bedtimes. For checking booking availability and prices at your desired dates, you can use the link in description. I hope this video was helpful. Give a thumbs up. Subscribe for more travel-related content. If you are not ready to book this hotel, you can watch our Best Hotels playlist and choose the best one for you. Thanks for watching.